Captain Hook.
Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailing man, the skipper brave and sure. 5 passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. The weather started getting rough, the tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. The ship's aground on the shore of this uncharted desert isle, with Gilligan, the skipper too, the millionaire and his wife, the movie star, the professor and Mary Ann, here on Gilligan's Island.
Wash yourself is the wallet. Oh.
Watch out!
The funny thing.
Oh hell, it comes down. There it is.
Oh shit.
That's pretty cool.
Does it reach like into the ceiling? No.
Probably not.
Yeah. The funny thing was you. Oh.
I believe you. I fell for it.
So Matt,
Yeah.
there is that tree there.
Yeah.
The small one.
Yeah.
That's the tree that you were drinking of the other day.
What are you talking about?
The drinks.
Oh, gotcha.
The juice.
Yeah.
Made, the lemonade.
What's it called again?
It's from that tree.
What's it called again?
Leather. Leather drink.
It's that actual tree.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
Nina picked it.
Wow. Very cool.
Naughty girl. The boat's name. It was like in naughty, like in naughty. Not naughty, but naughty, like nautical.
Nautical.
No, it was naughty girl.
Naughty girl.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Captain Hook. And this is the fishing pole he's holding.
Yeah.
Oh, he got a fish. Oh, never mind.
I gotta throw it. think I could manage that.
Yeah.
See, they even have a small garden on top. And, and they're all around. They had 360 view. You have the sun all day.
Live up there. You have your boat down here when Nene kicks you out of the house. Yeah.
After I go to Las Vegas with Henrik, I'm gonna live up there.
Yeah.
It's not a prison.
I'll do a little bit more and I'll turn it off.
No worries, you hold it as long as you want.
Yeah. I look like the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah. I can even do a little dance.
All right, go ahead. Do the Russian dance.
I can't do that.
Henrik's good at that.
Henry can do that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
And there's a rowing boat coming.
Cruise shell? Yeah.
No, these speed rowers.
Ah, I see.
The Olympic rowers, you know.
Yeah. We call those cruise shells.
That's the sea captain.
Where's SpongeBob and SquarePants?
It's under.
Under the sea.
Yeah,
Hey,
what's
so-
up, man? You will see when it gets close.
Get a little bit of you guys.
It's my neighbor. I basically live on the seafront line. This is my territory. That's a girl. How do you whistle? No, I can't. Why don't you start rowing? I'm tired.
Looks like you're moving in, son. Yeah.
It's like a pool of water. Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, baby! I can finally pee! Oh.
I'm trying to keep it steady, but it's kind of hard, you know?
What are you saying? Film! Ska jag köra längre fram? I can't hear.
I can't either.
I'm gonna try to.
There you go. There he is. Woo!
Winner of Olympic swimmer.
There he goes.
You okay?
How was it? How was it?
It was beautiful.
Good job.
Okej, jag riggar lite nu pappa.